Hi, good day. It's Roland of Rollwing YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put social media link icon in your YouTube channel art. So what are these social media icon? So remi- these are the social media icon, your Facebook account, your Twitter account, your Instagram account, or if you have a website, then you can put a link in your YouTube channel art. So this is the YouTube channel art. So stick around and I will show you how we are going to put those social media link icon in your channel art. This is very important because some users usually look at your Facebook account, look at your Instagram account, they look at your Twitter account. So with this social media link, they can click that link and it will go directly to those social media accounts. So just stick around and I will show you how we are going to put those social media link icon in your YouTube channel art. Okay, we will now continue the tutorial for how to put social media link icon in YouTube channel art. So, but before we are going to start, if you are still new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated on my upcoming videos. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one of the example of one YouTube channel wherein they have this social link icon in the YouTube channel art. Okay, so this is one of the example of the YouTube channel wherein it has this social media link. So it has a blog link, it has a Facebook link, it has a Twitter link, it has a Instagram link, and then it has a subscribe button. So I'm going to show you how this social media icon operates once they click this social media link icon. So once I click this social media link icon or one of the link here at the channel art, so if I'm going to click this one, so it will show the website website of the owner of that YouTube channel. Okay, so this is one of the this is actually one of my YouTube account, and I have a website for that. So you can put that here in your YouTube channel art. So if you have a website, you can put the blog, and then you can also put your Facebook account in the channel art. So you can put the social media link like your Facebook account. So if I click the Facebook account, so it will show my Facebook account. Okay, so it will show my Facebook account. So once I click the Twitter icon, so it will also show my Twitter account. Okay, so once I click this Instagram account, it will also show my Instagram account. Okay, so once I click this subscribe button icon, so it will go to the YouTube channel, and then it will ask you to subscribe to that YouTube channel. Okay, so that's the icon that I'm talking about. These are the social media link that we are going to create or we are going to put in the YouTube channel art. Okay, so I already put it in my one YouTube channel. So I'm going to put those media link in one of my YouTube channel, and I will show you how we are going to put those social media link, the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitter, your subscribe button, or your website icon in the YouTube channel art. Again, let's continue our tutorial for how to put social media link icon in YouTube channel art. Again, if you are still new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get all my tutorials and my upcoming videos that I'm going to create. So, okay, so we're now going to the YouTube channel. So I'm going to log in to my YouTube channel now. So I already logged into my YouTube channel wherein we are going to put the social media link icon. So once you log into your YouTube channel, just click this your picture. In my case, I have a logo, so just click your picture or the logo and then go to YouTube channel. Click the YouTube channel. Okay, so once you are in your YouTube channel, you notice here that there is no social media link. So we are going to put the social media link, the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitter, and the subscribe button. And if you have a website, we are going to put those social media link in this YouTube channel art. Okay, so once you log into your YouTube channel, just click this icon and then go to YouTube channel. So once you are in the YouTube channel, just click this customize channel. So once you are in your YouTube channel, customize channel, so go to basic info. So there are three buttons here, or there are three icon here. You have the layout, the branding, and then the basic info. So go to basic info and then go all the way down. So this is the link, add link. So just click add link first and then put the link of your social media in this box, and then the URL address of that social media link. So I already saved my social media link. So first I'm going to put my website. So this is my website for this YouTube channel, which is Daily Serenity Music. So I'm just going to copy this one, copy this URL channel, and then paste it here, and then put like a website, like say your website, or yeah, this website or anything that you can put, like your website or blog. It's good, it's still good. And then so that's first, and then we will add some more. So that is a website, and then I'm going to put also Facebook account. So I will just put a title like Facebook, and then I'm going to paste my Facebook account. So this is the Facebook account, copy, and then I'm going to put it here, and then I will add. So just bear in your mind that you can only add 5 link. So maximize those 5 link. Put any link as long as it is a 5 link, it will be okay. So the maximum is only 5 links. So Facebook, and then add another one. I will add another one, which is my Instagram account. Copy, and then enter the URL, and then put the Instagram word Instagram, and then add another one. So what are the other one? We have the Twitter account. So I will put a title Twitter, and then I will paste my Twitter account. And then the last one is the subscribe button. So I have also a subscribe button here. So I will just put this one, and then I will just put subscribe. Okay, and then I will put the URL. Okay, so we have the website, the Facebook social media link, the Instagram, the Twitter, and then the subscribe button. So once you are done, just click publish to save those social media link or your website. Just click save, and then it will say here changes publish. So once you go to your YouTube channel now, so once you refresh this YouTube channel, then it will show those 5 social media link icon that we just added. So this is your website. So if you click this website, so it will show your website. So this is my website for Daily Serenity. Is still under construction. So if you click Facebook, so it will show your Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account for Daily Serenity. So if I click Instagram, so it will show my Instagram account. So if I click Twitter, it will show my Twitter account. So if I click subscribe button, and then it will go to YouTube channel, and then there's an icon, alert message that confirm channel subscription, then they can just click subscribe. So that's the way on how you will going to put your social media link in your YouTube channel art. So this is your YouTube channel art, and then we just put this social media link in this YouTube channel art. Again, thank you for watching this video. This is very important because some of the YouTube viewers do usually look at your website. If you have Facebook account, if you have Instagram account, if you have a Twitter account, they always look at those social media link. So be sure that you are going to put those social media link in your YouTube channel art. So we just put those social media link in our YouTube channel art. So we're done with this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, just click the like button, and if you are still new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated on my upcoming videos. Again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, or if you wanted to know more details regarding this tutorial, just send me a message in the comment section, and I will answer your question or any messages. So thank you for watching this video. God bless and good day.